Ajala, you have traveled all over the world. Ajala traveled all over the world. Ajala traveled, Ajala traveled, Ajala traveled all over the world. Taran, 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 taran. Is there more to Ajala than traveling? Oh, of course there is. Very many. Let us do a breakdown of that very popular Oriki. Ajala. Two main words in that name. The verbs ja and la. Just as I have explained in the breakdowns of Ajani, Ajamu, Ajagbe, and what have you, ja simply means to fight, to contend with, to struggle to have something. But the word la, what does that one mean? This word can be a bit tricky. The most popular usage of the word la is the one that means to lick, like saying ọmọ náà lá àwọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀, the act of licking something. Onla sweetie. But even that meaning is an extended one. Originally, the word la describes something you do that shows your authority over that thing. It is because you've got authority over Obe, because you are superior to Obe, that you can la Obe. That is why that same word la can be used to mean to tease, like saying mo fi ọmọ lá lójú. I make the person feel unhappy for having no child. You can see how la is used in that expression. I can tell a child màá lá ẹ lábàrá, and that means I will beat you soundly. See how la has been used in that expression. Anything you do to show your authority over a thing is la. Tí n bá sọ pé mo ti fi eku náà lánu, it means I have expressed my authority, my superiority over eku the rat by eating it, by making it disappear. So then, who is an Ajala? The a that starts the name is what I call a noun maker, whose meaning can be said to be he who, or the child who. The child who shall do what? The child who shall fight and upbraid his enemy. He will not just fight his enemy. He will actually crush them and then gloat by scolding them. It is like tí wọ́n bá ní pé èèyàn fi nǹkan lá èèyàn lójú. Àjàlá bá àwọn ọ̀tá rẹ̀ jà, ó sì fi ṣíṣẹ́gun wọn lá wọn lójú. Àjàlá ó jà ṣẹ́gun ọ̀tá, ó wá lá àwọn ọ̀tá náà. After fighting his enemy, after winning them, he now scolds the enemy. He upbraids the enemy. That is the final icing on the cake. He seals the fight by mocking his enemy with insults, with scoldings, with upbraidings. Ajala. I like that name very much. It is petty. Wàá Ṣere.